In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Jotform. The goal is simple. Open your form in Jotform's Form Builder, access the element panel, and add a submit button so people can actually send in their responses. And I'll walk you through what to click, what you should see, and a few helpful tips to avoid common snags. First, open your appointment request form in the Jotform Form Builder. You can do this by navigating from your Jotform dashboard and selecting the form, or by using the direct builder link if you have it bookmarked. When the form loads, make sure you're in the build view. This is the canvas where you can add, remove, and arrange fields. If the interface looks different, check that you're not in the settings or publish sections. Also note that Jotform autosaves, so any change you make here is preserved as you work. Next, look to the left side of the screen for the Add Elements panel. This is where all the form fields live, including basics like short text, email, and, importantly, the Submit button. If the panel isn't visible, hover near the left edge or click the Add Elements icon to open it. You'll land on the Basic tab by default, which is perfect. You can scroll to browse the elements, or use the search bar at the top of the panel and type Submit to jump straight to the right option. Using the search is especially handy on forms with lots of elements, helping you get exactly what you need without scrolling. Now add the Submit button. You can simply click the Submit element in the panel to place it onto your form, and by default, it will appear toward the bottom of the form. Alternatively, if you prefer precise placement, drag the Submit element from the panel and drop it where you want it, ideally after your final required field. The Submit button is critical. Without it, your users can't send their entries. If your form already has a Submit button, consider whether you truly need a second one. Most forms only require a single, clearly visible Submit action to avoid confusing respondents. Once added, the button will adopt your form's current theme and styling, so it should look consistent with the rest of your design right away. That's it. You open the form in the builder, accessed Add Elements, and added the Submit button. Your changes are saved automatically, and your form is now ready to collect responses. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.